Welcome Computer Days users! Today I'm going to make a video about how to install the most important parts of PC, CPU and RAM. I'm going now to install the CPU Intel Core i5 6600. I'm releasing the lever. If you want to know the right way of installing a CPU, you need to look after a gold triangle in one of the corners. This triangle needs to correspond with the one from motherboard socket. You need to left it carefully in the socket. After that, slowly check if the CPU is moving into the socket. If it's not moving, you install it correctly. After that, put back the lever that keeps CPU installed. Going to RAM, I will install 16GB from HyperX Fury DDR4. To install RAM, it's really simple. Just release left and right levers and press one side of the module. It's installed if you hear a click. After that, press the other side of the module. That's all. I do the same thing with the other module. Hope this video helped you. See you in the next video. Peace.